Make a great choice today with
the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, daytime running lamps, cargo cover. Come take a test drive today.